Oh, I'm so hungry.
More Mr. Light.
Oops, I'm not strong enough.
I wish I could have a family.
I've made...
I'm so hungry.
Oh, my stomach hurts so much. It came out of nowhere.
Huh? Oh.
Something's seriously wrong. Look at us.
Pink.
Hey, Mrs. Boggo's mom. Is Boggo here?
You must be famished. You
Bring them back again. Ow! That can't you?
What's going on with that?
Gosh, guys!
Is Mom okay? But I'm so hungry. Mom,
Oh man, that was delicious. If you guys could excuse me.
So good! What's going on? Why do I feel so weird?
Right.
Come on.
Right.
Ah.
Starving! My stomach is begging me for some food! I'll have to sleep to forget about my other needs.
I will do it.
No, please. Miss.
that rocket sounds weird.
Oh, my stomach's reminding me it's empty.
Ooh, Marvin, I'm starting to get hungry. What do you want to eat for?
I've eaten so much spaghetti.
Stop it.
Uh-oh. Sounds like...
All that running.
Eat him up, eat him up, eat him up!
Oh, my tummy is rumbling.
I'm so hungry.
You're strong now. You can feed on whatever you please. On one condition.
What? Before? So hungry.
Hungry.
I just got really hungry.
Okay, I've never felt this before. I need a toilet. I need a toilet. Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Hungry?
You know what? I work hard. I've earned it. Let's be bad. Oh, I don't feel so good. Is it guilt? Nope, not guilt. Ah.
Oh, you're hungry? Take this. My big... Snack time! Hey, man, you gotta calm down. Did you eat all the cake yourself?
Wow. Ow! Oh!
Do we have a deal?
There's no way that someone does it on accident.
What's wrong, Mario?
I don't know. My stomach.